Hello, my name is Prapujya Ramesh and this is Game Audio Explained episode 2. In games, oftentimes one sound gets triggered many times. Listening to the same sounds over and over can cause listener fatigue. Having sounds slightly vary in pitch can help with this problem. Let us take a look at how we can do this in Fmod Studio. Let's take a look at Ellen's attack event, which features two distinct sound effects. One is Ellen's voice. The other is Ellen's weapon swing. These sound effects are called single instruments because they hold a single sound effect. The controls for the single instruments are below. From the controls below, we can set the sound effect to play back at different random pitches every time the sound is triggered. Here's how it sounds. Let us do the same thing to the weapon swing sound effect as well. Here's how that sounds. To learn more, please visit us at Seamedu School of Pro Expressionism. My name is Prapujya Ramesh and I will see you on the next one.